Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute bubble tea with heart-shaped tapioca. I'll be drawing on my tablet. You can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start with drawing the straw. Draw a small oval at the top here. Now from the sides of the oval, draw diagonal lines down to the left. Then close off the bottom with a curved line. Now let's draw the lid. Starting from the side of the straw, draw a large oval shape and connect it back to the other side like this. Next, from the sides of the oval, draw short diagonal lines down and out. Then connect the bottoms with a wavy line across. Let's draw the sides of the cup now. Draw diagonal lines coming slightly inwards on both sides like this. From the bottom of each side, curve it inwards. Then close off the bottom with a line across. Now we're going to draw another layer inside the cup. Start slightly down from the top and then draw a parallel line along both sides of the cup. Finish off the bottom following the same curve of the cup. Connect the top of these lines now with a wavy line across. Now continue the straw lines inside here with two diagonal lines. Then draw curved lines across in the back like this. Let's draw the face next. Start with a circle on the left side here. Then inside on the top right corner, draw another smaller circle. And then draw a small heart inside here. Now color the rest of the eye in black. Next, draw a curved line on the top left of the eye. And add 3 small curved lines for the eyelashes. Now let's draw the other eye with a thick curved line and flick it up at the end. Add 2 more curves here for the eyelashes. Now draw the mouth in the center with a U shape. Next, we're going to draw the tapioca by drawing heart shapes at the bottom of the cup. You can copy mine or you can draw your own. Now draw curved lines across here behind the hearts. Lastly, draw 3 hearts on the top right like this. And that's it for this bubble tea with Heart Tapioca. Let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching.